Families very often, in not all cases, but many, have access to smartphones and other devices that allow them to connect with social media. So the more that a school or school system is able to offer opportunities to have that live, continuous feed of connection. So social media outlets, usually Facebook and sometimes Twitter, they offer an opportunity to connect directly with families, to get the messaging to families in a very instantaneous way. And then also allows families to engage and interact with the information that you'd like to share with them. So that is definitely a recommended way to keep families engaged. It certainly isn't a way to engage in very specific communication with a family, but when there is very broad systemic information or even school-based information, social media can be very helpful. And most families we find are able to navigate that space and connect with us in that way.